Right.
So what in here?
It's a tubeless wheel tyre, but it's quite a small tyre. Like, it's going to be stretched onto this rim. They say it's a 5-inch tyre, but it's fuck all 5 inches about it. That is a 5-inch rim though, so to get on it needs to stretch. You've got this big gap here, so we try to blow it up with the generator. It won't have it, it'll just piss all the air out there, so you need to create a seal. Usually the way we do it with a bastard is we spray a load of deodorant into it and then light it, and the explosion shocks it onto the bead, and you just blow it up normally. But with this one, because the gap's so big, we're having to do another trick again, which is we're going to wrap a piece of rope around it. Like that there, and what do you call it, Spanish windlass or something like that there. When you get this here, you just turn it around like fuck, and it squishes the inside of the tyre such that the outside then pushes out a bit closer. Then we do the fucking thing with the links, and it explodes like fucking, scares the shit out of me. So we're gonna do a bit of that. Hopefully the front shouldn't be as bad as the rears were. So as you see now, it's pretty much right on the bead now. Actually, fuck it, we can blow this up with the we can blow it up with the compressor, please. It's totally on the bead.
Nope.
Well, there's nowhere for me to spray the fucking stuff in. He just wants fire. You didn't do it the last time. You don't have the nightmares. Look at that there.
Oh, fuck.
Watch how much that shit's left. Watch how much that shit's left. Fucking hell! Holy shit! I just kept adding stuff to it until it just got fairly volatile wee mixer. There you go.
Wee triangle tire.
That's for getting upstairs. That's for old people.